though, actually have had a partnership in place for about 20 years now with PNGC, which is an electricity cooperative. They are just across the street from us. You guys saw the flares over there. They have 5 engines, 16 and 20 cylinder engines that run off of this methane to produce electricity. It's enough electricity to power about 4,000 homes. It's just sold right back to the grid, so it's not going to 4,000 select homes that we chose. But that's what happens to the methane. It would be awesome if we didn't have methane coming out of the landfill. That would probably be an indicator that we were putting less organic material in there. But in this case, when we are still getting it, the best solution after not getting it is burning it for energy. So that's what we do with it. That's what.
So, do you have off the top of your head what the cost per acre is to build a cell?
I don't. For the benefit of the group, I don't. And it's a good question. Yeah, it's not obviously not cheap. It's a for-profit enterprise because this stuff is really expensive to make, and it's an investment. You know, like I talked about decades ago, where anyone could just dig a hole in the ground and put their trash in it. We're building something that's required to be intact in perpetuity, basically. We have requirements to the air and the land and the water that we're here on, to the people that live here, to the habitat that's here. We're on about 700 acres total for Republic Services. Only about 15% of that, or 140 acres, is permitted for housing trash. So you'll see when we go back out, there are hiking trails on the north side of our property. We have wetlands as you go back out here. A lot of this is open space. We have a herd of elk that bed down here in the winter because it's private property and there's no hunting here. They've got tons to eat, it's super safe. So aside from the fact that we collect trash, there's also a really nice piece to this area.
How many acres of the 140 are you using?
That's a good, we have all of it projected to use, but we've used about half of that.
Okay,
So there's about 40 years left of life on the landfill.
That's the follow-up question.
Yeah.
All be done.
So the thing to remember with that is this is a resource, this landfill, whether you have seen it that way historically or not, this is a resource because when it's gone, where are we going to put our trash? Not in Lincoln County, not in my backyard, right? Not the Willamette Valley where all of the people live. It's going to be trucked much farther away, right? Which means we're going to be paying a little bit more, a lot bit more. And so it's important to see this as a resource and just be putting in it the things that should be in a landfill. That contaminated soil, asbestos, medical waste, your true household trash. You know, putting your water bottle in the trash because you